How to build a gaming PC in 2025. Step-by-step guide. The Ultimate Gamer Setup. Thinking of building your dream gaming PC in 25? Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive pro. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a powerful, future-ready gaming setup without getting overwhelmed. Let's jump right into it. Step-by-step key points. 1. Choose the right platform, Intel or AMD. Decide your CPU first for high FPS and multitasking. In 2025, AMD Ryzen 8000 series and Intel 14th Gen are top picks. 2. Pick a motherboard that matches your CPU. Go for DDR5 and PCIe 5.0 support. Future-proof. ATX size is ideal for better airflow and upgrade room. 3. Graphics card, the heart of your gaming rig. Choose RTX 4000, 5000 series, NVIDIA, or RX 8000 series, AMD. 12GB VRAM minimum for 1440p or 4K gaming. 4. RAM. Speed matters. Go for 32GB DDR5, 6000 MHz or above. Dual channel setup EU faster performance. 5. Storage. Speed plus space. 90GB NVMe SSD Gen 4 or Gen 5, faster load times. Add a 2TB HDD if you need extra space for games. 6. Power supply. PSU. Don't cheap out. At least 750 to 80 plus gold certified PSU. Modular PSUs equals easier cable management. 7. Case. Looks and airflow. Mid or full tower with good ventilation. ARGB fans and tempered glass equals clean aesthetics. 8. Cooling system. Use an AIO liquid cooler or high-end air cooler. Ensure proper airflow to avoid overheating. 9. Monitor and peripherals. 144Hz or 240Hz monitor for smoother gameplay. Mechanical keyboard, gaming mouse, and headset. And that's how you build a gaming PC in 2025 like a pro. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe, and drop your favorite GPU in the comments. Still confused? Go for a powerful pre-built Legion from Lenovo. Plug and play gaming made easy. Until next time, game on!